explorers, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. So this is day one here at Tawi-Tawi Island here in the Philippines, and earlier today we checked in and I showed you guys how to get to Tawi-Tawi from Metro Manila. So this will be the first vlog where I will be exploring the island. So first things first, we are going to do a courtesy call, and then we are going to find something to eat as we have been traveling the whole day. So yeah, that's the first agenda, and then we will be exploring a bit of the city area so you guys can have a look as well. Guys, we are crossing the runway.
Can I borrow a car and run the runway?
Nice.
But there are no flights at this time, no?
Maybe not.
Once a day?
Maybe not.
There's a barbed wire on the road. But the view here is so amazing. There's like a mountain, but it's just like a massive rock formation, and it looks really nice from here. Anyway, we are gonna head back to the runway. It's so interesting, I swear, like I think it's the first time in my life I've ever driven casually on the runway. So I guess here in Tawi-Tawi there's only one flight a day. Gosh, this is how massive a runway actually is. I don't know how many lanes is this in terms of a normal road. Super cool, super provincial, I love it. Nice.
Sabi ko nga sir, but yung nagda-diving dito at dinaanan namin, ito yung still south there.
Alright guys, so now we just stopped by the town and we are looking at the snacks they have available, all the street snacks that we can try out, because when we've been driving back and forth we noticed that it looks like they have a lot of delicious street snacks and food, so that's what we're checking out now. Wow guys, 30 pesos for a full fish. Mackerel? So this is chicken skin, no?
The way they do the sati is different. So they have their own dressing, and I think it's pretty much their style, their family. There's two kinds, the one that they sort of char some more, and this one. It's nice toasted.
Chicken skin or fish, I prefer the chicken skin because it has more flavor. This one is a little bit dry. I think I have to go back and put some sauces, but we're just walking around, so it's hard to eat and dip. So, yeah.
This is tulingan, and this one is sort of like tulingan, but more galunggong. So they make it very smoky, and this one is just a natural grill. So it's perfect combination for the chicken skin. Ayun, tostado. Ito yung dalawa, no? Toasty. Woo! Toasty.
Actually, malamig pa yung fish natin.
Yes.
Right, so round 2 with the chicken skin. So now I am trying with a special sauce. Because earlier I just had it plain. Daniel, the sauce makes it so good.
Oh my gosh.
Dip
I need
your...
to try that.
Yeah.
Magkano yun? Sige. Dalawa na.
Dalawa na kayo, sir.
Oo. Ano ba ka?
It has like a... I don't know, it tastes a bit of like a spice curry.
Sir?
So it's very different from the ones you have in other parts of the Philippines. It tastes more, I guess it tastes more Malaysian because a lot of the food here is influenced by Malaysia.
Saan kayo, sir, sa Luzon?
So good.
Manila kami eh. First time ko dito dito. Sarap ng pagkain.
Now I'm going to be trying the agar-agar. It's seaweed, but it's cooked seaweed. So let's see. I grew up by the sea, so it kind of tastes like my childhood. Yeah, it just tastes like actually the normal seaweed. This marks the end of my day 1 here in Tawi-Tawi. I have a playlist of my Tawi-Tawi adventures on my channel, and if you would like to see a resort tour of the accommodation where I stayed while in Bongao, please subscribe as I'll be uploading it on my next video. Till my next adventure, explorer!